Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again. And today, we're going to look at a real world problem and see what it's asking us. So, the height of a projectile in feet at time t is determined by the equation h equals negative 16 t squared plus 112t plus 128. At what time would the projectile be 0 feet high? So, I rewrote it over here. 0 equals, because 0, that's the feet high at that time, negative 16t squared plus 112t plus 128. So I'm going to be using the fourth method. So that means A is equal to negative 16, B is equal to 112, and C is equal to 128. Okay? So those is an interesting method to use in this kind of case so that you could understand it really well. Okay, so first step that we do was A times C. So the A times C, that's equal to negative 16 times 128. And that is equal to negative 2048. Okay? Then the B is equal to simply 112. So we need two numbers that when we multiply gives us this number, but that when we add them, it gives us 112. Okay? I don't see no better number than these two already. So let's check them out. We got negative 16 and positive 128. When you multiply them, it's been proven that it does give this number already. Now, when you subtract them, when you add them, 128 plus negative 16, yeah, it does give 112. So these are good. This works. Okay, so part two. Now that we have these, negative 16 and 128, we need to flip the signs. So whoever's positive is negative, negative is positive. So negative 16 becomes positive 16, and positive 128 becomes negative 128. Okay? 3. We're going to take these positive 16 and negative 128, and we're going to divide it by A. So let's see that. So positive 16 divided by A, which is negative 16, and negative 128 divided by negative 16. positive 16 divided by negative 16, that is a negative 1. And negative 128 divided by negative 16, let me erase this a little bit. That doesn't confuse it to be a 7, all right? Okay. All right, so this is going to be a positive answer. So that's going to be positive 8. So our t, bring it over here, change different color. Our t is equal to negative 1 seconds and 8 seconds. But since it's a real world problem, time cannot be in negative seconds. So we reject the negative 1. That will be rejected. And we will accept the positive answer, which is 8 seconds. So the time the time that the projectile will be in 0 feet high will be in 8 seconds. And that's it. That's the answer to that problem. All right, so just remember that when you're doing real life problems like lengths and time, which cannot be negative, always choose the positive answer and reject the negative one. Okay, guys, that's it for this problem. Stay tuned for more. This is Mr. Frederick out.